day, M4971. Please introduce yourself.
Have a good day. My name is Marjorie R. Toledo, 46 years old, have two sons, happily married, and they are 20 years old and 18 years old. I have an experience working in Hong Kong with my first employer, a
Okay.
finished contract with 3 years, and do the household chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, marketing, taking care of children, and car washing. And to my second
Okay, you have
employer,
second employer. What are your main duties there?
I taking care of my employer, cooking, ironing, cleaning, marketing, and doing the bakery bread.
Okay. You're working on the bakery of your employer?
No, I only
Making
do
bread.
making bread.
Okay. I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, but it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
Okay. How will you prepare a milk for a newborn baby? How?
In my experience with my children, if the baby crying, then I check first the diaper, and then I do the washing of my hand, and then do the sterilizing of the bottles, and
Okay.
then put some milk and put water. Check if the temperature of the milk is okay for the baby, and then feed the baby. And then if crying the baby, maybe let him sleep.
Okay, if the baby is still crying after you make him sleep, what will you do?
And I call my employer to come to check if the baby. They
Okay.
help me to check the baby.
Okay, after you check it, if there is no employer there, the baby is crying, what will you do?
And I'll change the diaper.
Okay.
And check the temperature.
If the baby has a sick, that's the main thing. Sometimes baby is crying because she or he did not feeling well, or maybe the diaper is full, have a pee or have a poop. Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong again? What is the reason why you want to work in Hong Kong again?
I want to work in Hong Kong again because I need more income to give and to let finish my children's studies.
Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to stay in Hong Kong until my employer want me to work with them.
Okay. For sure you know how to cook Chinese food, right?
Yes, sir.
What kind of Chinese food can you cook?
I can cook steamed fish, steamed chicken, fried vegetables, and some steamed pork.
Okay. If the employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they prepared for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper?
Okay, sir.
If one of the member of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes, sir. I am willing to learn.
Okay, it is okay to you to take care of disabled elderly?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on a holiday setup by your employer?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper?
Yes, sir.
I saw that you have a long hair. It is okay to you to cut into short?
Yes, sir.
Okay, last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, if you choose me as your helper, I promise to be honest, trustworthy, obedient, patient, and flexible to work anywhere. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much. M4971, Miss Marjorie